Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is really exciting because I ordered a bunch of new gym equipment that just came in the mail. So I want to show you guys what stuff I have, what stuff I ordered, what stuff is still coming to build a home gym with some basic minimal equipment that is going to help you achieve full body workouts, functional training, strength training, mixed in with a little bit of endurance, cardiovascular fitness, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm excited to open the packages, put everything together. I'm basically turning my back house and upper yard area into a little bit of a training space. So let's go see where the packages are and let's start opening them up.
You said the same thing I told ya. My eyes are clear, there's no secret. I wanna know, was it serious? I need it clear, my best friend. Isn't easy to show with the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I told you, it's the best light I know. It's not a game that I am playing. My love, trying to hold my feeling, I don't know what's right. I'll find the best way, I think that I might. I know you made it in the nick of time. I'm calling on you. I think we're made of something.
Okay, so obviously some things in here need to change, but for now, let's just open these up so I can show you what I got. I placed an order on performbetter.com and they have great workout equipment on there. It's obviously not the cheapest, but it's also not the most expensive. The first thing that I got was this guy right here. This is a 12-pound medicine ball. Now, this I love to use for exercises in between or like as part of a circuit to get your heart rate back up as a little bit of a cardio blast. And this is great because it actually bounces back up to you. The one that I currently have at home is a dead weight slam ball, which I also love, but for different reasons. So this one's fun because you can do more movements in the transverse plane and you can just do a few more exercises that you can't do with the slam ball because it actually bounces back up to you. For example, like chest ball slams, you know? You can't do that with a dead weight. So I got this in 12 pounds because it's a good amount of weight where you can do this for endurance reps, but it's not too heavy that you'll get tired after a few seconds. Next up, I got a battle rope. I had no idea how much this was actually gonna weigh. All I knew is that it was a 1-inch handle, which I prefer a thinner handle, just because I feel like it's more comfortable in the hand. As soon as the grip gets larger, the weight of the rope is obviously gonna be heavier, but it's also, if you don't have strong grip strength, it gets a little bit obnoxious to hold. So this is good for any level. Yeah, it's not going to be as heavy, but again, I'm not using this for strength. I'm using this more for endurance and to add a little bit of something fun and different into a workout. Then this guy right here, I don't even know how I'm going to open this. Versions of these at the gym. We have the 2 smaller pieces that stack on the risers, like the exact size of the risers, but I almost prefer the longer one for different reasons. I'll probably also get the normal tops to go with this, just because if you're doing exercises in a deficit, it's going to be easier to have two separate pieces so that the weight doesn't hit in the middle. But this is great for anything that you want to progress. So for example, if you're doing squats and they're feeling a bit too easy for you, you can start doing them with one leg on the riser. You're putting a little bit more resistance on this top leg because you're going deeper, you have a deeper range of motion. So this is fun. It's also fun to do like different type of step exercises, all this kind of stuff. Again, great for cardio, endurance, fun stuff. I also figured I could lay on it and use it as a bench for some things. And if I get a few more risers on each side, I can use it for glute bridges, hip thrusts, all that kind of thing. So this was a good universal object. Then this last one is actually what I'm most excited for because it is a Viper. And I'm actually certified. I took a course on this tool and I absolutely love it. It's great for functional training. You can use it to work in all planes of motion. It's great for high impact, low impact. It's great for mobility. It's great for strength training. It's great for stability, proprioception, anything like that. The Viper is the best tool ever. I'm so happy to finally own one. One of the biggest things that I love to use it for with my clients is mobility specific exercises. I'll have them do a half kneeling hip flexor stretch with it as an assist, or I'll have them do weighted halos to work on shoulder mobility. It's just a great tool. I love it. There's literally endless possibilities with this thing. So this is probably the best purchase in this haul. So this is a little overview of everything that I ordered. I'm really excited. I do still have some weights coming and I have my other stuff downstairs that I also have been using. I need to bring them up here as well. And then I'm going to turn this into a little gym space. And then there's an area out here where I can train. I have to bring that piano, which was just in here, back downstairs to the house or to the garage or something. And I need to take that sun lounger downstairs too. But this is going to be a great little training space that I have up here. So it's been about a week or so and I wanted to give you guys an update of what it looks like in here. It's come a long way from when I first showed it to you. So behind me over here, I have most of my equipment kind of sitting against this wall. So I have my foam roller here from Lululemon, my 12-pound medicine ball, my 10-pound slam ball. Then I have my battle rope, a Pilates ring, a medicine ball, my Viper, Pilates mat, and then my 2 kettlebells. And then I cleaned up this whole area here, so this is just a nice big open space. And then we have the couch in here, which actually pulls out to a pull-out couch. And then we have this little poof, it swivels and you can sit on it, put your feet on it, put your drinks on it, whatever. And that's just another piece that's gonna have to stay in here. And then on this side, I have my step and I have my little, it's a trunk. I mean, there's a bunch of like other random stuff in there, but I am using it right now to hold my weights. I'm still waiting for a set of 25s that are coming in, but everything's on back order right now. So I have a pair of 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 115. I need to get it a mate. And then I have my ladder and my foam pad packed back there. And then this is my bag of resistance bands, an aisle ball. This is one of my favorite tools. And I have like just a bunch of other random things in here, including mobility stuff. And then I'll even use this trunk to do like heel elevated glute bridges, stuff like that, and I'll move this guy out of the way. But this is what the room is looking like, and it's been so much more enjoyable to work out in here and using this little outdoor space back here to work out as well. I still need to do something about the lounge chair, and then I put the beanbag chair that was in here over there for now because it's actually so heavy and I need to take it downstairs and all the way down another set of stairs to get it into the garage, which is a bit of a pain, but this space is still usable without that little area. So that's what's going on in here. So I think that's where I'm gonna end this video. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of an overview of turning this space into a usable little mini at-home gym space and some of the equipment that I have personally chosen and think people should have in their home gyms. I still do need to get a hook to attach to the wall so I can put my resistance bands on there and do just exercises that I would do normally with a cable machine and kind of like make a makeshift one with resistance bands, as well as a little loop attachment on the outside of the back house as well for the battle ropes. But that's gonna be done later. Everything's currently sold out from what I've seen online. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.